Hi, I'm William Caldero. This is Building a Resume. Uh, Business English Professor Coomer. First thing I did, I started with a chronological resume because my work history, I haven't been in college for a while. I've been working last 10 years, so I have a pretty good significant work history I need to add. Also, for the job I'm applying for, I have weak academic experience. It's requiring a bachelor in chemistry, but I think for my experience, it might help to, go ahead and apply for it. But I wanted to make sure to highlight my work history for those experiences. And also, I'm applying for a job that it's kind of a goal job. Maybe I'm not qualified or won't get it now, but it's something I'm working towards. So, through this experience, I've gained a lot of knowledge. Cover letters, I've never done a cover letter. So being able to write one now, finding the way to do it and linking it to my resume, I think that really helps. I learned all that. There's nothing like I did for this that I've already, I didn't know a lot. I mean, I kind of knew the chronological one, but I didn't know how to actually professionally do it. I've never really, this is probably my first professional real resume. So building the resume to a specific job, that is something else I learned. I just thought I just put down my work history, put it in order, and based on that, they would just make their decision, I never really thought of highlighting certain areas or using keywords and phrases. Using the employer's posting to my benefit. Being able to highlight what they want and showing that on my resume specifically and rewording it with keywords and phrases, that's something also I learned in talking points through the cover letter, being able to link not only their job posting to my cover letter and what's in my resume. That's like a three-fer. I mean, I got all that just out of this section, these 3 chapters. And I think it's really helping me. I think on my resume, my weakest spots are going to be highlighted in my education and qualifications for this job. I know that it says in the requirements that they're looking for a bachelor's degree in chemistry or something similar, one of the fields. And their qualifications are going to be for someone in quality control with that background education and then working with it. But I think the only hard part is the education, because I have 6 years of on-the-job experience working with that quality control of the product. So, like in the description, it shows that they require the bachelor's, but they're just communicating with the R&D lab. I don't think they're really doing anything like testing-wise. Nothing that I wouldn't be able to learn quickly, I think. And like I said, my qualifications, I think that's going to be a weak spot as well, because, like I said, I'm not a chemistry major or anything like that. I did some things with horticulture and biology, but I think that's going to be my weakest spots on my resume, especially for this job. But I tried to highlight my work experience, and I hope for the best. So through this, I learned to build my resume. Like I said, I've never really done a cover letter. And through this section, I mean, the knowledge I've gotten from it, hopefully, when you go through it, it'll actually, your changes or advice will help me build a better one. But I think I've learned a lot just from this project. So building a resume, like I said, I use chronological because in the book it says build on my strengths, focus on my strengths, kind of hide the weaknesses. But I think that's what I got from this. It's all the knowledge I've gained. It's been a very good experience. So thank you.